What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to Mr. Lennox Bennett. I am your presenter. This is my number 87654926161. Hope everybody keeping okay and everybody alright. So let me just show you something, guys. Today we'll be looking at substitution. Very easy topic. These are some actual CSEC past paper. These are some awesome. Alright, get my number. Hit the like button if you know. Me just look back on TikTok where they do I say me chat too much. But I don't say me and mates and say yo, me not talking up nowadays. Yeah, me need for reason me people them. How are you guys? Where are you from? Yeah. Just go and stay safe guys. Put in the work. I wanna watch people, so they not get intimidated by people's opinion. And no longer should you guys, if that's the case, no. Alright? Just push for your goals. You only need you. Alright? Just go with the right mindset and do your thing. Alright? So let's look at this one. Guys, ignore the number because it's a book. I'm scanning and thing. So I'm just doing them part by part or topic by topic. You know what I mean? Alright, so it says given x is equal to 3, y is equal to negative 5, and z is equal to 4, and it says find the value of x minus 2y. So guys, go ahead and try that one. Before you do that, hit the like button. Yeah. If you're not subscribed, do that now. Yeah. Real Jamaicans. Big up people from West Africa. Big up Nigeria people them too. All over the world, man. Bangladesh, Australia, anywhere there in the world, USA, Canada, Trinidad, Guyana, Jamaica, Bahamas. Big up, man, anywhere they're from, alright? So, yeah. Maths is life. So it says given x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 4. So we're going to find the value of x minus 2y. So I'm going to just rewrite that now. Alright, so the value of x is 3. So we substitute 3 and we say x. These are very prevalent in CSEC, and it says minus 2y. So the value of y is negative 5. So we put that in the bracket. Alright. So according to the Bundas rule, we're going to do the bracket first. So all we have to do is say negative 2 times negative 5. That will give us positive 10. So that is equal to 13. And for the persons who would like to ask, where did the negative go? It's negative 2 times negative 5, so that becomes a positive 10. So we put the plus 10. Alright. Let's look at the next. I think we are required to put the values down here. It's the same substitution. This is just part 2. So let me just put in x is equal to 3. Y is equal to negative 5. But we'll go back up, to find the value of z. Alright, look at that. So z equal 4. So x are 3, y are negative 5, and z are 4. Right, so we could just put it here, just for reference, so persons can see. If you like button for Lennox Bennett if you're just joining. Yeah, man, the man and around, put in the energy and the work, Alright, so it says 7x, so we could just rewrite it because I don't know. Working step by step is very important. You got my entire St. Mary's College family, even though they are not watching right now. Big them up. Guess you guys will see this 1 week before exam. Alright, so let's go now. So it says 7x, so that's 7 multiplied by the value of x, which is 3, plus 2z. Now z is positive 4. And then divided by y. What's the value of y? Negative 5. Alright. So now we're going to work it part by part. So the bracket means to multiply. So 7 multiplied by 3, that is 21. And 2 times 4 is 8. And we divide by negative 5. So let us finish math stop. 21 plus 8, that should give us 29. And then we divide by negative 5. See, it's like when you show them so you understand it. So what you do? 5 into that, 5 is 25. Remainder 4 over 5. Some persons like the decimal, that will be 0.8. So this is negative. Alright, as a positive divided by negative gives us negative. Alright, so x is 3. Let's just see if part 3 will be the same. Hit the like button up, people, man. Don't know how to deal with. Alright, so we get our own new numbers. We just small up so you can see everything going on in here. Alright, so here we go. It says, given that p is equal to 2, q is equal to negative 3, and r is equal to negative 1, find the value of first 5 multiplied by p minus 2q. So let us substitute the values and put it in. So 5p, what's the value of p, which is 2, so it's 5 times 2. Put our minus, because it's a part of the formula, it's right here. 2q, what's the value of q? That's negative 3. So bam. Put the negative 3 here. Simplify. That's it, guys. That's it. So 5 multiplied by 2, both of them positive. So that gives us positive 10. Negative 2. Either way, I'm going to show you two ways you can do this. You can just say negative times a negative. That's positive. So you get 6. This is another way that you can look at it. I know some persons actually look at it this way. So let me just show you. Alright. So after you multiplied 5 times 2, which is 10, minus 2 multiplied by 3, negative 3. What some persons will do, and it will be perfect correct, 2 times 3, that's negative 6. But you put back this negative. So the 2 negative will give you a positive, so you get 10 plus 6. So it doesn't matter how you do it in this case, both of them would be correct. I know students like to comment and say, so me do it. With maths, there's no special way. Guys, even though we say whatever, these are some past papers in set questions. We go the first one that we get together. Alright, so this one says given L is equal to negative 2, M is equal to 5, and N is equal to 3, calculate the value of Lm bracket M minus N. And this one is worth 3 marks. I love this one. Alright, so let me just rewrite back what the L answer means. You don't know, I'm saying you're in a rush, guys. Students, make sure say you practice right through. Don't follow your friends them who say them not have to practice. Alright? Do your thing so you can get your bright future. So it says Lm bracket M minus N. Alright, so I'm going to substitute now. So this means to multiply. So it is negative 2 multiplied by M, which is 5. Put our bracket, which is 5 minus N, which is 3. According to the Bundas rule, we must do the bracket first. So I'll put it at now. So 5 minus 3, that will give us 2. Negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10. So negative 2 times positive 2, that gives us negative 20. Let's take another approach to it, because I know sometimes some students will say, yo, some me do it, let's see if you do it this way. So there's negative 2 multiplied by 5 bracket 5 minus 3. So you work out the bracket first, which is 2. Put your times your negative 2 and your 5. So now what we're going to be doing is say 5 times 2, that's, oh, this is positive, so I don't want to make positive 5, I don't want to make it negative. So 5 times 2, that is 10, and then we have negative 2 multiplied by 10, which is also equal to negative 20. Just for the person who might say, hey, it's not the way I would look at it, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so this one now, it says given A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 3, and C is equal to 0, evaluate 4A minus 2B plus 3C. Again, guys, you guys are encouraged to try the questions before. So go ahead and attempt it, and this one is worth 2 marks. Ensure say hit the like button if you're just joining. Subscribe if you are not a subscriber, alright? If you want more videos. If not, you can just run along. Alright, so let's go. But that you're watching, you are appreciated. So we have 4A minus 2B. So I'm rewriting it. It's a little bit fine in my mind, so I'm gonna just pick it up. Alright, so we substitute now. So we know the value of A is 2, so put that in bracket. Anytime you see 4A, it means 4 times A minus 2B, which is negative 3, plus 3C, so that's 3 multiplied by 0. Alright, so let us expand the bracket by multiplying now. So 4 times 2, that is 8. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 3, that is positive 6. Any number multiplied by 0 is, as the Americans would say, a big fat nothing. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, and you get your full marks there. Alright? Hit the like button up, peeps. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. Next one now. It says A raised to the C. So we have to go back up. Right, what A did equal. Type it in the comment section, guys. So I now have to go up. Type what was A, what was B, and what was C. So A are 2, B are negative 3, and C equal 0. So these are 2, negative 3, and 0. So now we are asked to find A raised to the C. So let me just go ahead. A raised to the C. Now A is 2 and C is 0. Look up all my private students from across Jamaica and the Caribbean, USA. Pick up for yourself. 2 raised to the power 0, and that is equal. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. I know if a lower school watching this, they must say, sure. Maybe maths this, sir. But guys, practice is good, alright? So we did that in class. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Alright, let's look at this one now. So this one says A bracket B plus C. Let me see the instructions. Oh, this is a fresh one. Alright. So let's see what we have. We have A bracket B plus C. So the distribution now state that you multiply each, so it's A times B plus A times C. So A times B is AB and A times C is AC. And that will be our answer. I don't want nobody add up and say A, B, C. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms, alright? Wonder if the one here come from up there, so. Let me see if there will be anybody. This one new question. I need to book our next side. Oh shoot. Yay. And I was wondering how they give that and they didn't give the values. Guys, I think I messed up that one because it's two-sided book out and they write on one side. So I don't have the values for this one. Let me see which number is this. I think they gave the values over here, but the number is not there. Yeah. So it will be over on the other side. Let me see what I'm going over this. There we go. You know what? Make a continue. Leave out the part. Alright, I come can see 71. Now go to 71, alright? Yeah, this is R 71. I think I didn't get the values for that. It's up the top. So this one says, given that A is equal to 5, B is equal. I think I'm gonna do this on my TikTok right now after ends. So given that A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 3, find the value of ABC cube square root. So first, we need to rewrite it so everybody can see. Put the values in there. So A of 5 times 4 times, I rewrite first now guys, C cube. Now according to the Bundas rule, we have to do the power part first. So this would give us 27. This is a very challenging question if you don't have any calculator. I think so. Alright, so this work out to 27. And then we rewrite these. So put this on a square root so people don't get confused. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply each 5, 4, 20. 20 times 27. You know what? I'm just using my calculator. This is paper 2, so you are allowed calculator. Alright, we could use that about 540. I guess so. If I multiply by 10, that'll be 270 and 270. Yeah, so that's a 540. And then now we can find the square root of 540. Which number multiplied by itself give you 540. Notice they set to 2 decimal places. Just see that here. Just see that. Alright, so it's set to 2 decimal places. So all we have to do now is find the square root. Punch up in the calculator. Press 540 and equal. So this is a long answer that the calculator should give you. Do it for yourself, you know, guys. 23, just in case. 23.239. Now we said 2 places, so we go to the third one after the decimal point. This is over 5, so we add 1 to the 3, give us 4. So it's 23, 24. Somebody buy that in a cash partner. That would be our answer. This one related to something over here, so I don't know, I have to start out the book there. Proper. I think this one. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna figure it out though. So it says 70. Given that w is equal to 5, x is equal to negative 7, and y is equal to 3, find wy. So wy means w multiplied by y, and the value of y is 5, so we multiply it by negative 7. And we're done. Positive times a negative, that's negative 5, 7, 35. So that will be our answer. Alright. Let's go over here, so by the way. Oh, one more. Oh, so there's a line draw here, so that means it go down. Go down, go down. Alright, so we have y minus 5, but we just calculate wy, right? And we got negative 35, so it will be negative 35 minus x. What's the value of x? The value of x is negative 7. I did it wrong, you know? It was wy. Wy at 3 for there, so man. And double x for there. Oh, pay attention, guys. So wy have 5 times 3, which is 15. What the hell? So it was actually 15 because it was not double x, but wy. So the value of that are 15. And now x, the value of x are negative 7. So it will be, so we got 15. So we got 15 for x, wy. So that's 15 minus x is actually negative 7. So let's just put that in perspective. Because it's negative 7, put another negative and 7. So as we said earlier, two negatives is going to give us a positive, negative times negative. So we add both of them and we get 22. And that would be our answer. Alright, so guys, remember you're supposed to try. So this is 73. Don't watch the numbers, guys. We just have the questions. You see? Alright, so we have if m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5, negative n is equal to negative 5, find the value of 2m minus n. This one should be challenging because they have 3 marks there. As I said, guys, these are some past C6 paper, but I think the person just call it a graded workbook. But these are some past papers. I've done some of these already, but I really appreciate it. Really appreciate something like this. Alright. So what I'm going to be doing now, guys, I'm going to allow you guys to complete this one. Alright, so it's 2m minus n. So that's 2m minus n. Alright, so the value of m is 4. So that's 2 multiplied by 4 minus n, which is a minus. Remember, minus a part of the formula, plus n a minus 5. So our common error, students just put minus 5 alone. Alright, 4, that is 8. 2 negative gives us a 5. And then we add 8 plus 5, which is 30. So that is our answer, 30. Hit the like button now, guys. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Don't make the videos them pass you by. Alright, this one says mn. So it's m raised to the n. But let me just rewrite the value of m. and I honestly do not remember. So let me go back up. What's the value of m? Anyone? So m was 4, n a negative 5. So m was 4, n a negative 5. Alright. So it says m raised to the n, so 4 raised to the negative 5. And my students, my dear students, you guys can match up this. We have done question lower school. So it will be, this indicate that it's a negative, it's a not the negative indicate that it's a fraction, so it's 4 to the 5th. Again, we will be required to use our calculator. So it's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. We can leave it like this, but we're going to work it down. Alright? So multiply 4 by itself. Let's rewrite it. So you're going to multiply 4 by itself 5 times. And that should give us a big number. And guys, I'm just going to use a calculator. Anyone can use a calculator? And tell me the answer before we do it. Let's go. So it's 4 times, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1024. Anybody get that? That would be our answer. Again, you notice it's 3 marks, so it's really a lot of work out. I didn't even see that it was 3 marks. Alright, so let's do this one, guys. You're gonna do this one on your own. Let's see how well you guys can do it. Alright. Alright, guys, so here it is. It says, given that r is equal to 3, s is equal to 7, and t is equal to -8, evaluate r s t to the second power. Go ahead and complete that, and that is worth 2 marks. So it shouldn't be that hard because it's only worth 2 marks. Let's go. I'm going to give you guys some time to write that. Persons on the live. If you are watching the playback, you don't need to pause it, because you're going to get the running time, alright? To complete it, guys, let's go. Everyone should be able to complete this. Correct or no? Easy, guys. What's the answer? Type in it fast, guys. Alright, so let's go. Let's see who get it correct. Alright, so we're gonna rewrite the values. So by then everyone should complete it. So it's r is equal to 3. If you're just joining, watch the playback. It's over 30 minutes worth of video you have missed. So please ensure say you watch everything from start. Alright? Watch your odds them to guys. Alright, so we have evaluate r s t. When you watch the odds, you don't know, you give me a support or just appreciation. So basically that is your payment, which I'm appreciate. Alright, so we have RST, so the value of R, so I'm going to just match it up now. So it's 3 multiplied by S is 7, multiplied by negative 8 squared. Again, bonus rule say we have to square first. So negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64. And then now we have 3 times 7. And guys, you can check out my TikTok. Some little short videos. And then we say 3 times 7, 21. And then we multiply that by 64. We're going to punch it in a calculator. Type it in fast, guys. What you get? 21 times 64. Everyone should be able to get all of these correct in CSEC. Whatever exam you're doing, whether GCSE, SAT, or whatever. Alright? Doesn't matter. People from Gambia, you can type in what type of exam, what's your exam name. Can you guys send me a worksheet? Persons from India, can you guys send me some worksheet that you guys will be doing and support, or some past worksheet? Alright, so I want to see them, guys. I want to see your worksheets. Alright, let's look at this one. This one will be our final one for today. Hit the like button, guys. Ensure so you go back and watch all the videos. So it says if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8, and z is equal to 6, find x bracket y plus z over xz. And I absolutely love this one. It's only 2 marks, but I love it. Alright, so it says x is equal to 1. Again, I'm just kind of brightening up and bigger. And z is equal to 6. Alright, so let's just rewrite it now. So it's x bracket y plus z upon xz. And I have to look very carefully because it seems like me I'm blind. Alright, so let's just put in the values now. X is 1, so that is easy. Y plus z, that's 8 plus 6. It is straightforward since all of them are positive. Xz, so x is 1 multiplied by 6. Alright, so work out the bracket first, which is 8 plus 6, that is 14. So it's 1 times 14 is 14. Alright, 1 times 6 is 6. 6 into 14 goes 2 times 2, 6, 12. Remainder 2. We can break down this 2 and 1/3. Doesn't look like a fraction at all. 2 supposed to. Alright. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching Mr. Lennox Bennett challenge. My number is on the front of the video, or I can leave it here. So it's 876 because I'm in Jamaica. 549 2161. Doesn't matter if you're from Trinidad and you want to be a part of my class. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. Alright, work out the time difference and that. So guys, just hit me up. You guys can send persons from other African country, wherever you are, you can send me the worksheets on this number. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, anywhere you are in the world. Alright? This is Lennox Bennett, no doubt. See you guys in another video. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Alright?